Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, very beautiful turning design, big border sarees, very grand sarees for your beautiful occasions. Here we have a navy blue color body with gold jari worked mango design buttas all over, and we have a tissue border. It is a gold jari tissue border in the top with a thin border in pallu color, and we have a beautiful big border, turning border in the bottom, a 12-inch border. Both sides we have jacquard type weaving, and middle we have tissue again, very rich one. The border color and the pallu color are same, contrast one for the body. A beautiful color here, magenta pink and black mix, which is a violet color. A finely done beautiful pallu too, grand one with same color blouse piece. Blouse piece has one side jari border, elegant combination, a dark combo, completely handcrafted with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double barbu. A very beautiful big turning design border sarees with a thin border one side, very elegant and alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful dual tone color, red mixed with pink, which gives a beautiful shade, a goldish red and pink mixed shade, very elegant one with the peacock design buttas, small peacocks, very beautifully handmade saree with a thin border at the top and a big turning design border at the bottom. It's almost a 10-inch border and gold zari weaved, beautiful one. The border and the pallu are in same color, and it is rani pink here. Very beautiful mango design in the pallu as well. A grand one with plain blouse piece as in pallu color. The combination is very unique, beautiful combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A thread weaving border, beautiful collection, turning design. The complete saree have no zari concept. Very beautiful collection, workmanship needed for this. Traditional weaving, dark purple shade color, very elegant one with arrow design, small buttas done using orange and light blue color. And here the light blue is used for the turning design, big border. Meena work done using orange. Elegant one, very beautiful with same color blouse piece and pallu. And pallu also have the thread weaving here, and a very beautiful Meena work concept. Very elegant one too with plain blouse piece in same color. Excellent shade saree, completely hand weaved, beautiful collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design border sarees, big rich border with elegant and contrast combination colors. Here we have a beautiful combo, a very different and elegant combo, pastel combo too. The pallu is light lavender color with very elegant, small peacock design buttas and a thin border in pink. And we have a big turn, 10-inch turning border that is also done using gold zari, very beautifully done. Here we have pink and lavender mixed color. The same border color is for the pallu also. The pastel pallu with beautiful mango design, and we have same pallu color. The combination completely is a lavender combo, but pastel shade with authentic silk. The completely hand woven saree. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful new launch. Thread work, beautiful concept saree in double warp. Elegant combination too. Turning border. The saree is in goldish yellow color. Excellent color with very different small buttas, arrow pattern done using gold and silver alternatively all over. Very beautiful one. Top is a borderless concept, and lower part we have a beautiful thread design, thread border turning in a thread concept. Completely pink thread used here, silk thread. See, the Meena work is also done using the gold and silver for the flowers. Very elegant border, beautiful one, and we have a contrast dark rani pink color, red and pink mixed color pallu. Pallu also have the Meena work concept, both gold and silver jari used. Beautiful and grand pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent concept saree in thread work, beautiful one, handcrafted one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Borderless turning design sarees, double warp, and very beautiful color combos. Here we get a excellent color here, bright and beautiful rusty orange color, almost rust with a elegant orange tint. You can see the buttas, gold jari buttas. We have a vertical buttas done in gold jari, and we also have a turning design border, a very closely weaved rich border done in gold jari again, peacock design, semicircles and inside is peacocks. Grand saree here with same color pallu. Pallu also have beautiful work, completely jari work, rich pallu. The pallu tassels are already made with plain same color blouse piece. Very elegant combination saree, excellent and rich looking with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread border weaving collection. The complete saree is having thread weaving, no zari concept at all at the saree. Very excellent dark shade color, dark green, algae green in a darker shade. Beautiful one. You can see the arrow shaped small buttas, pink and yellow used for the butta weaving, and we have the yellow used for the, it's almost an orangish yellow color. Very beautiful one. Turning design border, and we have Meena work done using the opposite zari, the opposite thread color, that is pink, and we have same concept in the pallu also. Pallu have very beautiful Meena work. You can see mostly the orangish color is used for the weaving, and we have the Meena work done using the pink, and we have same color pallu. Completely traditional weaving process, beautiful workmanship here, completely hand woven, elegant one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful turning design, excellent concept sarees in a exclusive color combinations. Here we have an alluring combination, dark combo, brown saree, coffee brown in a dark version, beautiful color with very elegant butta designs, and we also have a tissue border at the top, gold zari used for the tissue with a thin border in pallu color, and the lower half we have a 10-inch border in pallu color with very elegant turning design weaving using gold zari. Excellent combination with the same olive green color pallu, and completely beautiful gold zari work in the pallu also, rich pallu with plain blouse piece in the pallu color. The combination is elegant with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful big border turning design sarees in a very excellent new color combination, light green color, pastel green, very beautiful rare color with gold jari mango design buttas all over. We also have a normal 4-inch jari border on the top with a thin border in pallu color, and here we have a big border in the bottom, yellow color border with beautiful gold jari work in both sides of the border, and middle part we have the jari gold jari border. Very elegant one, kanji type turning border, beautifully hand weaved, a completely hand weaved saree. The color is also very pretty, and the yellow color is given for the blouse and pallu also. Beautiful design in the pallu as well with blouse piece in same color. A pastel in both the body and pallu with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful turning design sarees. Elegantly it's done. Very beautiful hand woven, excellent combination saree here. Mehendi green shade, mild green mixed with olive green mixed with yellow to get a beautiful shade it is. With the peacock design buttas and a thin border in pallu color. The lower half we have a big 10-inch border, completely done using turning weaving, and it is done using the gold zari. Complete saree is gold zari used one. Combination you can see, beautiful one. Same border, pallu as well as the blouse are in same color, and that is a wine color here. The wrap is completely black and warp is pink, the magenta pink color. Combination is really very beautiful. Excellent saree for the festive season with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful big turning border design sarees in a very elegant color combo. Here we have a beautiful red saree with mild pink tinge. The warp is red, pure red, and the waft is a mild pink color, which gives a beautiful shade, almost red, with very elegant thread worked booties, small buttas, the arrow type, completely thread work with the silk thread used for the weaving, and we have a big turning design border, completely thread worked turning border it is. You can see the color choice, the contrast, mustard color is used for the weaving, and pink is used here for Meena work. Very elegant one, excellent weaving one with a pink and mustard yellow alternatively weaved for the arrow buttas here. Completely handcrafted work. You see the color, beautiful one, completely in single color, and even the pallu we have the Meena work with thread work concept. Silk thread is used. Very elegant work, completely handcrafted, traditional weaving method with a plain blouse piece in same color. elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A turning design, beautiful sarees, rich collection in a excellent combination colors. A peach with light pink shade, beautiful design. Buttas are also very elegantly crafted. Borderless concept in the top, completely handcrafted saree. You can see a very beautiful turning design, big border, a 12-inch border, done using gold jari. Very elegant design, rich collection, pastel shade saree, and we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is in sea green and blue mixed color, blue with mild green tint, and we have a very different mango design, excellently done in the pallu. Beautiful pallu here with pallu color like this. Beautiful collection. The combination is very different and beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread turning border collection. Beautiful color. Here we have a dual tone color. The complete saree have no zari concept at all. It's completely thread work one. And the color of the saree is also very beautiful. Green mixed with mild brown. To get a beautiful tone, you can see a goldish green shade. Very elegant one with buttas, arrow shape done using dark magenta pink and blue. Beautiful one. The top portion is completely borderless and a very pretty pink turning border in the bottom. And Meena work is done using the dark blue color. Full work is done in the thread work concept. Excellent and elegantly it's been done. A fine weaving, completely handmade, and same body color pallu with again the Meena work, the beautiful thread work pallu. Very beautiful and excellently done saree with the plain blouse piece in same style. Excellent thread work concept, very rare collection with authentic silk.